In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import an script on murf.ai. First, I'm going on murf.ai. This link available on my video description and first comment for easy access. You need to log in here with your Gmail, then create your project. So just click on this icon. Then I want to select a. You can choose any project name as you like. So you can see this is option import script. Just click on this icon, then select a file. So I already have a script. You can see this is my script, so I want to use this one. You can see this is completed. So script, just split script by paragraph. So I want to use this option. You can use this option, then import script. You can see already imported my computer. You can see this on now I want to select a speaker. Here's the pro and free available right now. If you are a paid user, use this pro, and if you are a free user, using this free. So I already free user, select a free, just click on generate audio, then click on here. This is a few seconds for processing. I mean 5 to 10 seconds, this enough for everything. Okay, if you want to use pronunciations and fluently, a formal, a letter, etc., speech and speed up, at push, etc., lots of option available here. So just already generate, just click on this icon, then download and download audio. Just click on download audio. So this is video is really good and attractive. So if you want more videos those type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, please make sure subscribe this channel and like this video. See you again, take care, goodbye.